Welcome to episode 8. My work on the floor. So I put in these floor patches probably last year, and I still have a bunch of spots that I didn't actually fully finish doing it. Because I had the car on a frame table before when I did all that stuff, and I wanted to wait till I was on a rotisserie. When I got the car off the frame table, put it on a rotisserie so I can spin it around and be able to get to this stuff a lot easier than laying underneath the frame table and welding overhead and stuff. So I got some things I still need to patch in, welds I need to grind down. I got holes I still need to fill, kind of all over. So yeah, I got some holes back here too and stuff. So some of these holes I'll leave in here and probably just put seam sealer like it was from the factory, because this car's not really going to see water anyways, but for the most part I'm going to fill a lot of stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in for episode 8, working on the floor. There was a bunch of stuff that I thought I was recording, but it wasn't, or the storage was full, or something happened with it. So I apologize. If the channel gains some more momentum with subscribers and likes, follows, and comments and stuff, then I'll invest in some better equipment. Right now, I'm just using iPhones. So thanks again for tuning in, and stay tuned to what's to come.